I heard something. But it's not consistent, is it? Is it like...
It's like underneath the hood. It's engine.
What? All tires are kind of loud. It's hard to tell, but it's coming from...
Is it the heat shield? Or is it...
Yeah. Just something rattles. Yep. Heat shield. I don't know if I can stick the microphone out, but it's going to blow wind. Maybe I can. It is loud.
So that's probably
It's just... Yeah, it's a...
Tires are completely loud.
Sound exactly like a heat shield, just rattling around.
Fuel is...
What is this? Something that...
Bank 1, Bank 2.
What? It reads out sensors?
Yeah.
That's not the factory setup.
No, it's got a Bluetooth thingy on it.
Oh. That is nice.
Yeah, but it's...
Wow. Is it an aftermarket thingy? Or...
Yeah, it's some kind of OBD scanner.
No, I mean, yeah, but this screen and...
Oh, yeah. It's a Chinese brand.
And it's a touch screen too.
But the misfire is the weird thing. But it doesn't have anything.
Mail off.
Yeah, I'm checking. But it had one this morning, didn't it?
Well, when you start it up, it misfires, then...
It warms up and it goes away.
Right, that's exactly what happens when the engine is cold and it doesn't have the correct air to fuel. It's not reading either, not compensating for the cold weather, and it doesn't burn properly, and when it doesn't burn properly it just misfires.
5 value. Intake air temp 69, 70 degrees.
Air intake air temperature. Okay, so that's it.
I don't know, the throttle position isn't doing it. Yeah, it's not reading throttle. I don't know why. Maybe this scanner doesn't do it. MAF, see, 4.5.
Nice.
And she said it was fine, and then you started doing it recently. So it's been cold. Do we have like a vacuum leak somewhere?
Or a sensor. It's one of those.